Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my Volkswagen Golf Mk6. So that's anywhere from 2008 through to say 2014. And we've got a front parking light out on this vehicle. So today we're going to show you how you can replace the bulb yourself. So to do the job, you are going to need a replacement bulb. I've picked myself up some traditional T10 5-watt wedges, and they are incandescent bulbs. I haven't gone for LED bulbs because if you do that, you're not going to get rid of the warning on your dash without recoding the ECU. So I've just gone with the traditional bulbs, and you are going to need a pair of long nose pliers. So we simply come in behind the headlight, and when you get in here, you can see there's actually a little cover with an access. So pull that little rubber cap off, just like that, and that'll pop out the way, and put that to one side. And then what we can see is just on the other side, there's that little black tab. Now what we need to do is just grab that. It's a bit hard to get our hand in, but if we grab some pointy nose pliers, we can just grab that with the pointy nose pliers. So let's do that right now. So obviously it's a little bit difficult with the camera, but let's see if I can show you what I'm doing here. So let's just grab the end of that tab there. We can see that we've got that with the pliers. And just to check from the front that we've got the right one, we can see we're wobbling the bulb there. And then let's just give that a pull, and you can see we just pull that out and turn him around, and we can see the bulb on the end there. So we don't need to disconnect any wiring. We can see we can just fold that around so it's facing out the rear, and then we just pull that bulb just out like that. And then we simply grab our new bulb, push that into the holder just like that with a firm fit, and we're good to go. Now, before actually putting the bulb all the way back into its correct position, I like to fully test things. So just come around here, and we just turn around to the parking indicator, and we'll just check to see if that bulb has come on. And as we can see, we now have a working parking lamp. So to put the lamp back in, we simply rotate it back around and insert it back into position. It can be a little bit fiddly, so I like to come around the front as I'm doing this and actually look for the bulb as it's coming into the hole there. We can see that, and then I just give it a little push with my finger. It's just a firm fit, and you can feel it just clicked into place. So with that lamp in now, the final thing to do is just to pop that rubber cap back in. So simply just push that on, a little bit of persuasion you can see, and then that just pops back on nicely just like that. So that's how to replace the parking lamp on the right hand side. The left-hand side is very similar. It's just a little bit tighter access with the airbox assembly, but you can still get the cap off the same. You probably have to get a little bit smaller pliers to pop that lamp out, but apart from that, everything else is the same. So there you go, folks. That's how to quickly and easily replace those parking lamps on your Volkswagen Mk6 Golf. Today, I'm actually here with my GTI Golf, and if you're interested in learning more about DIY maintenance and servicing on this type of vehicle, do check out the channel. But if you have liked the video, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe to the channel. And in the future, if you're interested in learning more about other vehicles, also on the channel, we've got an Audi A3, a Mazda 3, an early Ford Falcon, there's a Mercedes ML Class W164 with nearly 90 videos. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.